Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can buy Gorilla token. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So we are on CoinMarketCap and there are two ways as to how you can buy Gorilla token. So the first way is using a centralized exchange, which is Bitmart. So this is a Bitmart centralized exchange, and if you don't have an account on Bitmart, you can use my link where you will be getting few free crypto tokens, and then you can go ahead and buy Gorilla. Please note that this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing into any crypto, as crypto investment is risky. So we will go in the markets of Bitmart, and we'll wait for it to open. So as you can see now it has loaded all the crypto. We'll simply go ahead and search for Gorilla over here. And as you can see there is an option to trade. We will go ahead and click it. It has a good volume of 6 million in the past 24 hours as you can see. And basically you can go ahead and buy Gorilla. So the price of one Gorilla is 0.001148 USDT. So let's say if you want to buy 1000 Gorilla, so you will need around 1.15 USDT. So since I don't have balance in my Bitmart, it's showing insufficient balance over here. But if you go in the spot, you can actually transfer USDT from other centralized exchange or from your trust or MetaMask wallet. If you check over here, there's an option to deposit. Let me go a bit down. Simply click on deposit, and then they will ask for the source of funds and all. Just complete it. It's a basic KYC, and then the address would be generated where you will simply need to copy that address and put it in your wallet or the other centralized exchange. So once the funds are here in USDT, you can go ahead and swap USDT for Gorilla token. The other way is you can use Uniswap. So basically we'll need to connect a wallet over here. So there are Uniswap wallet, then there is MetaMask. Since I currently don't have, I'm currently focused on ADA network right now. That's why I haven't got MetaMask installed. But there is MetaMask on my mobile phone, where if I want to use Uniswap, I will usually use my mobile phone. So all you have to do is in the select token, you have to go in swap first, and in select token to search for Gorilla, and then they will give one warning: this token isn't traded on leading US centralized exchange. Simply click on I understand. Now let's say if you want to swap one Ethereum with Gorilla. If you want to swap one Ethereum, then you will be getting close to 1.65 million Gorilla tokens as per the current market price. And since I haven't connected my wallet, the option of swap is not showing over here. Usually it comes over here. And once you click that, then the Ethereum gets swapped to Gorilla tokens, and you will be receiving these Gorilla tokens in your MetaMask or Trust wallet or any other wallet that you use. So as you can see, the rate keeps updating every now and then. So just check what's the best rate, and then if you want to buy Gorilla token, you can go ahead and buy using these two techniques. So it is this simple to buy Gorilla tokens. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.